Hi guys, welcome back to a new video of Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can redeem a voucher on your Just It account. Watch the video till the end. To redeem a voucher on your Just It account, firstly open your Google search. Type in Just It login and make a search. The search results will be displayed on the screen. Click on the first link shown on the page. Log into your Just It account by entering your email address as well as password associated with your Just It account and then tap on Login. The home page of Just It will appear on the screen. Tap on the three lines at the top left corner of the screen and click on Redeem a Voucher. On the next page, under Add Credit, enter your voucher or gift card code and then tap on OK. This is how you can redeem a voucher on Just It quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.